Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the drivers for this device are not installed Core 28 error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now here's the thing, the first solution is to update the drivers. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and select advanced options. Select optional updates and install the optional updates. The next one is Windows Updates. Go to this page and click on check for updates. Once this is done, these are the general solutions for all drivers, but what if it is about a specific driver? So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. If you see any option here with a yellow exclamation mark, simply expand it and right click and update the Z driver. And also click on action and scan for hardware changes after that. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.